This video will talk you through the suggested method for constructing and installing Maybe Hire's lightweight and flexible two-sided map box. To enable quick and easy assembly of the box sides, first lay timber skids on flat and level ground. Using the finger grips as a handling aid, place the aluminium panels on top of the skids, ensuring they interlock with one another. Once all the panels are in place, fix the posts to both sides using post pins and R-clips. Use the top holes on each post to secure the lifting attachments. Adjust the telescopic struts to the required length, ensuring both ends are equally extended or retracted. Lift the second assembled side and temporarily suspend whilst the telescopic struts are attached in their required positions. There are multiple holes in the post, allowing for different strut positions. Please ensure the struts are positioned in accordance with your design. With the struts attached, lift side 2 onto side 1 and pin the struts to the posts on side 1 to complete assembly of the two-sided map box. Excavate your trench to the required depth. To lift the map box, attach chains to the lower 2 red lifting attachments. Once secured, rotate the box in a vertical position. Attach chains to the 4 red lifting attachments, lift the map box, and position into a pre-dug excavation. Immediately install edge protection to create as safe a working environment as possible in and around the trench. And then remove the chains. Be aware of possible ground pressures to the sides of the box. If resistance is met when lifting the assembled box, excavate the ground adjacent to the sides first. To remove the box, attach a 4-legged lifting chain and then remove the edge protection. Ease the box out of the excavation, rocking it gently from side to side as necessary. Dismantling the box is the reverse of assembly. Once complete, all equipment should be cleaned and stacked ready for reuse or collection. This video is to be viewed in conjunction with the detailed written user guide, which is available to download from our website.